Covering over half of the province of Sindh and some parts of Balochistan, the Indus ecoregion is amongst the 40 most biologically rich ecoregions in the world. It harbors the mighty Indus River, supports a variety of fish and wildlife habitats, provides vital natural resources, and houses the world's 7th largest mangroves forest. Every year, more than 6 lakhs migratory birds make their journey through the region, and an estimated 25 million people depend on it. But the delta is dying, and the landscapes have come across multiple climate and human-induced challenges. Low freshwater flows, overexploitation of natural resources, seawater intrusion, encroachment, and habitat destruction pose threats to the health of the landscape. Bankable projects are forming part of the solution, delivering conservation outcomes and uplifting communities, while returns on investments. To conserve the delta, WWF Pakistan, with the support of the Dutch Fund for Climate and Development, is pioneering partnerships between NGOs and financiers and enabling private sector investments in climate adaptation and mitigation.